Watch this video until the end and thank me later. Parts that are needed for the microwave to work. Microwave can technically heat food if these parts work properly. If any of these major parts fails, the microwave usually stops heating. So now here we can see the high voltage transformer. The function is to increase the voltage to a very high voltage needed by the magnetron. In other words, it changes the household voltage to a very high voltage. Here's the magnetron. The function of the magnetron is to create microwave energy that heats the food. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's go to the next. The main PC board. The function of the main PC board, actually this is like a brain of the microwave. It controls and operates everything. High voltage capacitor. So high voltage capacitor stores electrical energy and helps to supply smooth high voltage to the magnetron. So its function is to store electrical energy and it helps to supply smooth or high energy to the magnetron. That's the function of high voltage capacitor. All right. High voltage diode. The function of the high voltage diode is to convert AC power to DC high voltage for magnetron. All right. So that's the function of high voltage diode. All right. Yeah, so this is a turntable glass tray. It holds the food while rotating. It helps the food to rotate. You know it. All right. This is called roller ring or turntable support. It helps or supports and guides the rotating tray. Yeah, so this is interior lamp or bulb. So its function is to light the cooking cavity. When you open the microwave, you see the light. Yeah, so this is a turntable motor. So the function of turntable motor is to rotate the glass tray so food heats everywhere. So that's the function of turntable motor. So we have door interlock switches. The function of door switch is to stop the microwave from operating when the door is open, and it helps the microwave to start functioning when the door is closed. That's the function of a door switch. All right. And here are the screws. The function of screws we know is to make the assembly possible. That's the function of the screws. So here is the cooling fan motor. The function of the cooling fan motor is to cool all the components in the microwave. It cools magnetron and all electrical parts to prevent overheating. The main fuse. So this is the main fuse. The function of the main fuse is to protect the microwave from electrical overload. When the power is too much, the fuse will be blown. So this is another fuse. It's called high voltage fuse. Its function is to cut off electrical power when there is too much current or short circuit to protect the magnetron. Here we have the cable plug. So the function of the cable plug is to transport power from the socket plug into the microwave. That's the function of it. And then we have touchpad. The function of the touchpad is to select any program of your choice or allow users to enter any commands. And that's the function of the touchpad membrane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.